2449 Great Pond Road, Rockaway, New Jersey. Council President, a short time ago there was a resolution that was in question concerning the Open Public Record Act, and it was, I believe, Resolution 92 this year. And then recently you had made some statements in the Star Ledger concerning the Open Public Record Act. And I was wondering, it seemed that you somewhat opposed the Public Record Act when it dealt with officials concerning certain issues. And I was wondering if you were aware that with the Open Public Record Act, it actually allowed the public to bring forward concerns concerning you and your property under land use violations and Uniform Construction Code violations. And we still currently now have litigation because of your property and those records not being provided under a timely period. And I was wondering if that was the reason why that you actually opposed the Public Record Act. If you have an issue with the public knowing what you do, if it's right, wrong, or indifferent. Do you care to answer that, Council President?
Mr. Kelly, this isn't a question and answer session. You got 5 minutes to speak your piece, as I told you several times in the past. So, okay, speak your mind, and when your bell rings, you're done. Thank you.
So you're not going to answer any questions concerning the Open Public Record Act or a resolution that you signed?
Mr. Kelly, again, this isn't a question and answer session. Move on, please.
And Mr. Dachisen, do you have an issue with the members of the public looking into officials' records to make sure that they actually follow the same rule that they make the public follow? I mean, you are on an ordinance committee, you've been a councilman for a long period of time. You've also taken an oath, and yet some of the records that are provided under the Open Public Record Act show that you haven't followed your due diligence to do the oath as well as an official. I mean, again, I have a letter here from the state of New Jersey, an investigator, concerning your property, where you had numerous amount of violations, fines and permits here from a construction official as well as zoning issues. And not even that, the cost factor of the litigation going on. I mean, just recently, you're trying to quash a subpoena not to attend a court matter pertaining to the records sought about your property. Do you have anything to say about that, Mr. Dachisen?
Mr. Kelly, this isn't a question and answer session. You can state your piece for the Open Public Records.
You're not going to answer any of my questions I asked?
Not to you.
Just to me, you're not going to answer any questions. Is that what you're telling me, Council President?
No, this is not a question and answer. I'm not answering any questions.
So you don't feel that it's relevant to inform the public about anything concerning our officials? Is that what you're trying to say, Mr. Dachisen?
This is not a question and answer, Mr. Kelly. You've done this routine for 4 years. You know how it is.
Council President,
thank you.
On other occasions, you've answered questions when I asked concerning the Township or...
Yeah, but there's pending litigation with you, so I have to just...
Pending litigation to what, Council President? What does that
mean?
It's
not a question and answer, Mr. Kelly.
Well, you're the one who brought up the litigation factor, Council President. I figured you would inform the public to make a statement like that. What litigation is that, Council President? Is it the litigation that the state of New Jersey brought against the Township concerning your records not being properly given to the members of the public that requested it? Allegedly hiding information concerning your property?
I guess that'll come out on October 19th, isn't it? When we're all going down?
So it's scheduled on the 19th of October, which you'll be in attendance to?
Absolutely.
Great. Thank you very much, Mr. President.
You're welcome, Mr.